Hi, welcome back to our daily life series. I'm Dr. Amy Novotny, and today we're going to focus a little bit on yard work. And as you can hear, probably some birds and some wind chimes. There's a lot that goes on outdoors, and it can give us great peace. Sometimes we have yard work that we may not want to do, but we still need to do it and take care of our body at the same time. Now, as I'm going through different types of yard work, one of the things that we might have is a potted plant, and we need to clean it up every once in a while. There's leaves, right here, this little plant has a lot of bougainvillea leaves and flowers that are dead that have blown into the plant. Now, there's a couple ways I can address this. I can bend over, and eventually that may hurt my back, especially if I try to keep my back really rigid and stick out my butt and try to keep this really rigid. In about 2 seconds, it's going to start to hurt because my back muscles have been made too rigid. If I bend over and allow my belly to come out, that might allow me some extra time, but even that, I'm still against gravity, so it's going to hurt. I can try squatting more, and that's okay for those of you who don't have knee pain or knee issues that need to be resolved before you can do something like this. I can sit like this and just squat, and I can clean up a lot of the debris in this shrubbery and make it look great. I can even do some trimming and all of that. And what I'm doing is I'm allowing my back to be in a neutral position, and my butt is dropping down below my knees. Now, ideally, I'd like to even get further back so I'm more on the heels of my feet and squat in this position. Now, again, I can do this. It's a great workout for my thigh muscles, and at times definitely I want to do this and I'm in a good neutral position. Let's say I haven't really worked out my thigh muscles in a long time and I don't want to do it for a long time. I'm going to grab a step stool, and right here I have an ottoman, and I can easily get down into this pot. Now sometimes I might have to get down lower, and even that I can spread my knees apart and work right in front of me. Again, when I do that though, I'm not going to arch my back and make a really flat back as I lean over. I'm gonna let it round out into a natural position, whatever feels comfortable for my back. Remember, the most important thing is that my rib cage stays down and in neutral, because that determines how much stress is on my back muscles, that's on my back bones, and on my pelvis. So I wanna keep the stress to a minimum and allow my ribs to keep in neutral so that my vertebrae can slide and move the way they should. I hope this was helpful, and you can use this outside whenever you're doing any type of planting, dealing with pots. It's a great way to address your yard, spend some time out in nature, hear the wind chimes, hear the birds, and have some peace out in nature. I hope this was helpful. If you have questions, please reach out to me, amy@paberinstitute.com. Have a great week. We'll see you next week. Bye.